and I'm live. Hi guys. Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Just let's wait a couple of seconds till everybody comes on. Hi, hi everyone. Hi, hi. Everyone saying hi. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi Hemant. Hi Neeraj. Hi Deepak. Deepanshu. Hey Renee. Hi guys. Alright. Hi, hi, hi everyone. Thank you. Okay, so guys, good evening. I hope everyone's safe and sound and taking care of themselves and all healthy and fit. Well, today it's special because it's not any other regular live that I'm doing. There is a reason why I'm doing this live. Of course, I want to talk to you guys and get to know what you guys are up to and stuff like that, and share what I'm up to. Of course, we'll do a lot. We'll do that, but this is specifically for a cause which is very, very close to my heart. Now, as you all know from my, if you've come to my Facebook page or Instagram page, then you would know that I am trying to raise some money for an NGO which is very, very close to my heart. It's called the HelpAge India. They work for the elderly, and as you know, we're in this pandemic situation where it's hitting the elderly harder than the younger lot because of the immunity. The elderly have poorer immunity, hence they're more susceptible to the virus. So I need your help today because I need to raise some money, and I need all your help in order to do that, in order to raise this money. You don't have to, people tend to think that they need to be extra rich in order to help others out. You don't need to be a millionaire in order to help others out. You can contribute as little as 150, 150 rupees. You can give as much as you want, 150, 200, 500 rupees. You can give up to 7.5 lakhs in one transaction. Give as much as you can. Even if it's 150 bucks or 200 bucks each, that each buck makes a difference, and it can help so many of these elderlies out there. And especially in this dire situation, because I'm sure all of you also have grandparents or parents who are older, who they need the kind of assistance and help which the NGOs like HelpAge India provide. So yeah, I'm also one of the biggest reasons for me supporting HelpAge India and raising money for them is the fact that I have seen it firsthand about how well they are with their jobs. They take care of daily needs of the elderly. They do these cataract operations for them, for the elderly who to bring back sight. They do their healthcare. They take care of their pensions. A lot of those things. So I'm hoping you guys can help me raise some money, and we can help all these people be safer in a situation where nobody has control over the situation that we are in. And this is the time that we all are very blessed to be sitting at home and we are safe and sound, and we're healthy. We have we can move around, we are mobile, we are able, but there are a lot of people out there, the elderly, who are disabled. They can't take care of themselves, so hence they need NGOs like the HelpAge, who help them with their daily needs and healthcare, most importantly. So I think it's very, very important as a human being to not just keep wanting things, but also at a time like this we need to go out there and help as many people as we can within our limited means, whatever we can. You don't need to be you don't need to, I'm not saying that you need to empty out your pockets, but I think a little bit all of us we can do. And in this situation suddenly, because I feel like everybody's working, whether it's the government, whether it's the other NGOs, everybody's working towards bettering the situation that we are in. And that's the only thing we can do, apart from praying that whatever little bit जो बन सकता है हमसे वो हमें करना चाहिए. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत सारे पैसे दे, लेकिन if anything in any way that you can help, I think you should. And the money goes directly to the NGO. It doesn't come to me, it doesn't go anywhere else, it goes directly to the NGO. So there's accountability there. So I'm sure you guys will also be like, even if we give out the money, will it reach the people that it needs to reach? So yeah, I mean, you can be rest assured that the money will reach the NGO directly, because the setup is such that it, whatever money that you donate, you will see a button right next to donate. So you can just click on that and donate as much as you want. And there are people who've already donated, so thank you so much to people who've already donated. It's really, really nice and sweet and kind of you guys. So yeah, I think I've rambled so much already. To everyone from around the world saying hi, to Peru, to Vietnam, I'm sure in your countries as well, Philippines. I'm sure the situation is similar as it is in India. So yeah, so basically I just wanted to kind of talk about the fact that you don't need to you also need to realize that any kind of a donation that you give out right now is all tax free. You won't be taxed on it. And yeah, and you can use your credit card, you can use your debit card, MasterCard, Visa, anything in order to pay. You can make multiple donations. You don't it's not just one time. Also remember that this fundraiser is not just for today. It's highlighted and bookmarked on my page, so you can just donate anytime that you want. Even if if you're busy right now and you can't and you want to do it later, you can always do it, because it's there on my page. You can just click on it and you'll see the details, and you can do the needful. Let's see what people have to say. Okay, so some people are saying speak in Hindi. So basically, जिनको इंग्लिश अभी तक नहीं समझ में आ रही थी, मैं उनके लिए बोल देती हूँ कि आज मैं एक बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉज के लिए लाइव आई हूँ, जो मेरे लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है और मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. इस सिचुएशन में कोरोना वायरस जो इतना फैल चुका है, आप लोगों को तो पता ही होगा कि जो जितने भी बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोग हैं वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड हो. तो या तो जो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग हैं वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड हैं इस वायरस से. तो हमें उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए फैसला किया है कि एक NGO है जिसका नाम हेल्पेज है, जो बूढ़े और बुजुर्गों के लिए काम करता है, उनके हेल्थ केयर के लिए, उनके डेली नीड्स के लिए, उनकी अगर उनको कैटरैक्ट का ऑपरेशन करना है उसके लिए, या अगर मोबिलिटी के लिए, बेसिक चीज़ों के लिए हेल्थ और ऑलमोस्ट 40 सालों से हेल्पेज इंडिया में काम कर रहा है बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोगों के लिए, और उन्हें बहुत सहायता मिली है. और आई एम श्योर आप लोगों के घर पे भी या ऐसे बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोग हैं जो तो आपको रियलाइज़ होगा कि हमारे पास जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी होती है वो बहुत is much stronger, whereas जो जो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनकी इम्यूनिटी थोड़ी लो होती है, तो दे हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल. तो इसीलिए मेरी आज आप सबसे दरखास्त है कि जितना भी हो सके, 150 रुपये, 200 रुपये, 300 रुपये, जितना भी हो सके, आप 150 रुपये से लेके 7.5 लाख तक आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं. कोई लिमिट नहीं है. और अब वीज़ा, मास्टर कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड, किसी चीज़ से भी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. और ये पैसे आई एम श्योर आपके पैसे हैं, तो अगर आप डोनेट कर रहे हैं तो आपको भी आप भी सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या ये उन NGO को डायरेक्टली पहुंचेंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे. तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये पैसे डायरेक्टली NGO को मिल जाते हैं. तो ना ये मेरे पास आएंगे, ना ये फेसबुक के पास आएंगे, डायरेक्टली NGO को जाएंगे. जो भी आप डोनेट करें वो उनको डायरेक्टली जा रहा है. तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. इट गोज डायरेक्टली टू देम. और आई फील लाइक हम अभी हमारा सबका एक फ़र्ज बनता है. हम जो घर पे बैठे हैं, हम बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड हैं क्योंकि हम सेफ एंड साउंड हैं. बहुत बाहर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको मदद की ज़रूरत है. तो आई थिंक जैसे नर्सेज हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, हेल्थ केयर पीपल है, पुलिस है, बहुत सारे लोग बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हैं. अभी वायरस से इफेक्टेड जितने लोग हैं उनकी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. तो हम घर बैठे बैठे क्या कर सकते हैं. आई फील लाइक मैं भी ये सोचती रहती थी कि घर बैठे बैठे मैं कैसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ इस सिचुएशन में. तो ये बेस्ट तरीका है ऑफ हेल्पिंग. आई थिंक हम सबका फ़र्ज बनता है कि हम कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करें और किसी ना किसी तरीके से इस सिचुएशन में हेल्प करें ताकि कम से कम लोग इफेक्टेड हों. एंड बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी डोनेट कर दिया है. मैंने अपने पेज पे देखा था. सो थैंक यू सो मच टू एवरीबडी. सौरभ, विक्रांत, मृत्युंजय, दर्शक, all these people, thank you so much for taking out time and listening to me rant and understanding the cause, most importantly. Thank you for just being there and being kind and nice and hearing me out and coming. I'm a doctor here in Brazil. Lots of. So basically I think we should just all do everything we can in order to help. I am doing everything that I can while sitting at home. Monetary help is what I can do. The other thing that I can do is obviously keep myself at home and keep myself safe so that the others are not put at harm. A lot of people are saying that they've donated to the PM fund, which is great. I also donated to the PM fund, which I think is great. But I feel 150, 200, 500, 1000 रुपये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं होते. कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि जब हम नॉर्मली किसी डिनर के लिए जाते हैं, वीकेंड पे जाते हैं, कहीं कभी बाहर जाते हैं, 2, 250, 300, 1000, 1500, 200, 1000 रुपये तो ऐसे ही खर्च हो जाते हैं. यू डोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट इट. तो लाइक सडनली जब हमको किसी चीज़ के लिए डोनेट करना पड़ता है तो हम इतना क्यों सोचते हैं. तो तब हमें क्यों लगता है कि we don't have the money, who's going to do it, and we don't even know whether it's going to go to the right place. I mean, of course, a lot of times that is correct. A lot of times the money doesn't reach the correct place, but that is not the case right now. The money will go directly to the NGO because that's how the system works, and that's why I'm associated with it, because I know firsthand the money is going to go directly to the NGO. So hence I am also deeply passionate about something like this because of the fact that I lost my grandmom a year back, and I feel like when you lose them, that's when you realize much more of their importance. And then I think with most Indians, the case is that the kids are always very close to the grandparents, and so hence whenever now I see elderly people, it just reminds me of my grandparents. And I wouldn't want to see my grandparent suffering or going through any kind of difficulty in such a time, especially when they are more susceptible to the virus. So I think we should do as much as we can in order to help them. So Darshak, Muradia, Khanjan Shah, thank you for your donation. Vikrant, thank you. Mrityunjay, thank you. Saurabh Sharma, thank you. Thank you guys for donating. So like I said कि ये सिर्फ अभी का नहीं है. आप ये the fundraiser is going to continue. It's going to be on my page. And आप जब चाहें आप उसको डोनेट कर सकते हैं. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर अभी नहीं किया आपने तो आगे भी नहीं कर सकते. बट तो ये मेरे पिन होगा मेरे पेज पे, एट द टॉप ऑफ माई पेज यू विल सी इट, एंड यू कैन डोनेट एनी टाइम यू वांट. एंड once again I'm going to talk about how आप सबको लगता है कि अगर कितना सेफ होगा, क्या ये सही लोगों तक पहुंचेगा नहीं पहुंचेगा. I know the concerns because I also feel the same at most times, but like I said, this is verified, and the money that is being donated right now will go directly to HelpAge India, and it's going to help in taking care of the elderly and their needs. और जितना भी आप आप जितना देना चाहते हैं आप दे सकते हैं. अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ही देना है, तो आप थोड़ा कम से कम या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. और आप मल्टीपल ट्रांजैक्शंस भी कर सकते हैं, टैक्स फ्री है, तो ये भी नहीं आपको ज़्यादा सोचना है. और सो या मैं रियली होप करती हूँ कि हम लोग सब एक साथ आएँ ऐसे टाइम पे जब सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है हमारे देश को हमारी. हमें कहीं जाके बॉर्डर पे लड़ना नहीं है, हमें कहीं जाकर जंग नहीं लड़नी, या कहीं जाना नहीं है. हम अपने घर पे बैठकर लोगों की हेल्प कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ एक इनफैक्ट एक बहुत बड़ी सुविधा हमारे पास है, विच इज़ इंटरनेट. इंटरनेट के थ्रू आप कहीं से भी किसी से भी टच में रह सकते हैं, किसी को भी पैसे भेज सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक थैंक गॉड कि हमारे पास ये इंटरनेट है और ये सुविधा है, और फेसबुक के थ्रू मैं आप लोगों तक पहुंच सकती हूँ और आप तक ये बात पहुंचा सकती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया है ये बिकॉज अभी तक जिस तरीके से सिचुएशन है, जिस तरीके से केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, और जो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, जो एल्डरली हैं, उनकी जान को ज़्यादा खतरा है. तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया है कि हम उनकी तरफ ध्यान दें, उनकी रक्षा करें, और जो बन सके अपने से वो हमें करना चाहिए. तो थैंक गॉड हमारे पास हम काफ़ी NGOs हैं इंडिया में जो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोगों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. और HelpAge India 40 साल से काम कर रहा है डिसेबल्ड बूढ़ों के लिए, और उनकी बहुत सारी हेल्थ केयर में उनकी मदद करते हैं. उनके मोबाइल वैन्स हैं जो काफ़ी चेकअप्स करते हैं उनकी नीड्स के लिए, और एल्डरली अब्यूज़ को बचाते हैं, और स्टेट नेशनल लेवल तक काम कर रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली मैं आज लाइव इसीलिए आई थी, यही बोलने के लिए आई थी कि कि मैं अपनी तरफ से हेल्पेज इंडिया को डोनेट कर रही हूँ जितना मुझसे बन सके. आपसे भी मैं दरख्वास्त करूँगी कि यार जितना आपसे हो सके आप करो, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड कि हम सबका भी ये एक ड्यूटी है कि हम अपनी तरफ, गवर्नमेंट तो कर ही रही है. हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि मोदी जी करेंगे या हमारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स करेंगे. हम लोग टैक्सेस पे करते हैं, इसीलिए तो पे करते हैं ऑफ कोर्स. बट जिस तरीके की अभी सिचुएशन है, जो डायर नीड है अभी, हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि सिर्फ कंट्री ही करेगी. आई फील कि हम अपने बलबूते पे जितना कर सकते हैं हमें करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा फर्ज बनता है एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री कि हम दूसरों की हेल्प करें ऐसी सिचुएशन में जहाँ पे हर कोई अभी हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स हंसी मजाक बहुत अच्छा होता है. हम लोग लाइव आते हैं, हम एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं, फिल्मों के बारे में बातें करते हैं, गानों के बारे में, म्यूजिक, आर्ट, ये सब के बारे में बातें करते हैं. बट ये भी फेसबुक और बाकी के सोशल मीडिया भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स बन गए हैं अभी के लिए, जिसके थ्रू ये सब बातें आप तक पहुंच सकती हैं, और आपकी जो हेल्प है वो NGOs या गवर्नमेंट तक भी पहुंच सकती है. So a lot of people are saying that from all across the world this is what everybody else is also doing, which is great. I think this is the need of the hour, and we should just do everything that we can in order to help as much as we can. So someone's asking me, is this amount going to PM Fund or some other NGO? Prabhat, this money is going to go to HelpAge India. You can check out the information on HelpAge India on my page. I have provided all the information. You can go to their, you can go to their Facebook page. You can check. You can Google them. They've been working in India from the past for almost 40 years. They've been working for the elderly and doing everything that they can from the past 40 years. They are they're working, serving the elderly in a holistic manner, and enabling them to live active for their health care. So this money is going to go to them directly. It's 100% is going to go to them. It's not coming to me. It's not going to Facebook. It's not going anywhere else. It's going directly to them. So it's going to HelpAge India. It's the NGO and it's basically for them. I'm trying to raise money for the elderly specifically because this is something which is very very close to my heart. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि बच्चों की कॉजेज और बूढ़े बुजुर्गों के जो कॉजेज हैं वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं, क्योंकि आई फील लाइक बच्चे हमारी कंट्री के फ्यूचर हैं और बूढ़े जो बुजुर्ग हैं वो हमारे प्रेजेंट हैं. उन्हीं की वजह से हम जो हैं उन्हीं की वजह से हैं. तो आई थिंक हम लोगों का सबका फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम उनकी हेल्प करें. एंड या so I hope, Prabhat, I hope that answers your question. A lot of people now speak in English. So basically, I've said everything that I had to say. In English already, and I've said that in Hindi as well. So yeah, so basically just guys, this is the time that we all need to open our hearts and our pockets and just don't think about it's barely you know, of course it's hard earned money, and you decide where you want to spend it and all of that. But wherever, even if you don't do it to help, you know, you don't do it here, I hope that you guys do it somewhere else, because I feel like जितना आप, you know, remember karma, जितना आप अभी किसी की हेल्प करोगे उससे दुगना तिगना आपको हेल्प होगा जब, you know, जब आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. Remember that always. I definitely believe in this, that, you know, the more you help others, when the time comes and when you need help, you will find it double fold and triple fold. And I feel like that's how the universe is. Whenever we need help somewhere or the else, from somewhere or the else, the help will come. Glenn is saying, can I use a credit card from Philippines? Yes, of course, Glenda, that you can. And thank you that you even want to donate while you're in Philippines. I think that's really, really sweet and kind of you. Sanjeet is saying, please give me your account details. It's not my account, Sanjeet. The details of the NGO account are there on my page, and आपको details सब मिल जाएंगे. मेरे पेज पे सारे details हैं, कौन सा account क्या है. It's not my personal account. मैं खुद के लिए पैसे नहीं रेज कर रही हूँ. ये NGO के पैसे हैं. जैसे मैंने, like I mentioned, it's going directly to the NGO. So the account details of the NGO are there on the page. All the details are there for everybody who wants to donate. If you go to my Facebook page, all the details are there. Kushag Gradi is saying, feels great to see you celebrities have waged this war against COVID, standing together with common people. Kushag Gradi, I think it's very, very important that we use little bit of the, you know, standing that I have. I feel like I should, you know, use it for the correct cause, because there's no use that if I'm only, you know, I'm only using all my platforms for myself. I feel like this is the time that I am actually should try and be an influencer, because there is no point in me being a million on Instagram and being a million on Facebook and all of that if I'm not going to utilize all of that in such causes. Because I think as actors and stuff like that, we are human beings first, and बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इंसान को ना एक ह्यूमैनिटी होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप एक अच्छा इंसान होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, लोगों की मदद करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और अभी के टाइम पे दूसरे लोगों की आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा मदद की ज़रूरत है. तो प्लीज़ जितना हो सके आप यहाँ पे मत करो, कहीं और कर लेना, बट लोगों की प्लीज़ मदद करो. Everybody needs help right now, and I think one should just go out there and just help as much as you can, in whatever capacity possible. Prithvi Lal is asking, how does it work? Is it a link connected directly? Yes, Prithvi, there's a link. If you go on my page, you will see it. There's a link to make the payment. Also, there's a button you can donate. There's a button on, you know, right now on your screen, where you will see the donate button, and you can click on it and donate directly, and the money goes directly to the NGO. It does not come to me. It does not go to Facebook. It doesn't go anywhere. It goes directly to the NGO. The entire 100% money that you donate goes directly to them. It's tax free because it's for a noble cause, and hence I am also vouching for it, because I know firsthand that is going to go directly to them. There is no middleman. There is no you know, it's not going to get lost here or there. It's going to go directly to them. माज अहमद, अभिजीत कुमार, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोगों ने डोनेट किया. You know, I feel so blessed that I am here today and I can talk to you guys, एंड आई हैव अ स्मॉल वॉइस, उतनी बड़ी नहीं है बट जो छोटी है, और मैं बहुत बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ टू पीपल लाइक माज अहमद एंड अभिजीत कुमार, जिन्होंने टाइम निकाला और हु आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग in whatever way possible to the cause, and I'm so lucky that I can do this, and I'm capable enough to do this right now. Utsav Pao is saying, ma'am, donating and collecting is not the big issue. Issue is whether the money will reach to the actual needy people. Very correct, Utsav. I absolutely agree with you कि donating and collecting is not that big an issue. The money needs to reach the needy people, of course, and hence one of the major reason why I am vouching for this is the fact that 100% of the donations are going directly to the NGO, which is HelpAge India. It's going directly to them. There is no middleman involved. There is nobody else. It's not coming to me. It's not going anywhere else. It's going directly to the NGO. They are officially associated with Facebook, and they've, an account has been generated and it's going directly into their accounts. This money is going directly into their bank accounts. So you don't need to worry about that. And इतना transparency होने के बावजूद भी अगर आप नहीं करते हैं, then that's a different thing. But there's absolute transparency, and there is absolutely no way that the money is going to go anywhere else. And if there's any questions that you want to ask me, please ask me. I'm going to answer those as well. Let's see. How about clean water for people that need it, Mark? Oh well. What about it? Prabhat is saying, I do not want to pay through Facebook. Is there any other link, Google Pay or Paytm? Prabhat, since I'm live on Facebook, that's the only way to do it right now. But be rest assured that you don't need to think that Facebook is going to take away your money. They're not. It's going to go directly to HelpAge. Shirish is asking me, what do you do special to take care of your skin? Why is it, which is all glowing all the time? I think it's definitely an added thing that we are at home right now. So this very less pollution, so the skin can breathe easy, and no makeup, and good food. I think what's benefiting me is because I'm an actor and I travel a lot, so I tend to eat out a lot. But because of this lockdown situation, we all are eating healthy home cooked food, and that has helped me immensely. I cannot even begin to tell you how much that has changed my body. I can literally see the difference. I'm sure a lot of you will know what I'm like. If you eat out a lot, you'll see a lot of puffiness and bloating and slight pain in the stomach, all of that. Ever since I've, because of this lockdown, we've been eating at home, absolutely fit and fine. I think that's a huge reason for my skin to look nice. It's a problem of misunderstanding. Did you see that they are asking it's your account or other? This is the people. Do not try to give more help. Sandeep, I don't really understand your question. Hi. For everyone sending me love, thank you so much. राजकुमार मंडल पूछ रहे हैं कि मैम कैसे डोनेट करूं। राज, अगर आप मेरे पेज पे जाओगे ना तो आपको लिंक मिलेगा वहां पर, जो उस लिंक पे आपको क्लिक करना है और वो लिंक आपको डायरेक्टली डोनेशन कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, वो सब आपको सारे डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे। इस लाइव पे भी राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको एक बटन दिखेगा जिसमें डोनेट लिखा होगा। अगर आप वहां पे क्लिक करोगे तो आप उसके थ्रू डोनेट कर सकते हो। तो लिंक्स है मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे, आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। इफ यू गो थ्रू माय फेसबुक पेज और आप क्लिक करोगे, अगर आप देखोगे तो एकदम हाईलाइटेड है, एक पूरा एक पिन किया हुआ एक हाईलाइट है जिसमें सारी डिटेल्स हैं, जिसमें एनजीओ के बारे में भी डिटेल्स है, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, किसके बारे में क्या है, जो सब मैंने बात करी है ना उस सब के बारे में डिटेल्स हैं। एंड you can of course you can donate directly on helpage का जो वेबसाइट है, helpage इंडिया का जो वेबसाइट है, you can donate from there as well if you feel कि you don't want to trust Facebook. You can if you, although this is 100% verified and everything, you can also send through their website, Helpage India website. You can Google it, you'll find it. There are a lot of people from Indonesia on this. Hi guys. Like, I'm quite surprised. Do people in Indonesia see a lot of Indian content? Is that what it is? Bangladesh is having a lot of pandemic problems. I know. I hope the entire world heals soon. I mean, there's nothing more that each one of us wants right now. Hi. Thanks, Abhijit. Thanks, Tahir. Ruhin, if you've donated, then your name will flash, and don't worry about that. Somin, if you've donated, then thank you so much. Abigail is asking me, is the money only being donated for India? Do you know of any other organizations also that are accepting donations? Well, this is for India. This is specifically for an NGO which is in India, which works for the elderly. It's called Helpage India. Do I know of international organizations? Yes, I do, but probably this is not the correct platform to talk about that. Shout out to everybody in Kalyan Chakravarti is asking me how much. Kalyan, it's completely up to you. You can start with $150, 150 rupees से लेके 7.5 लाख तक आप, you can, in between that, anything that, whatever you want. There's absolutely no hard and fast rule of how much you can donate. Vivek saying pics behind you are good. Thank you. This is my room and that's my pop art collection. I'm a huge sucker for pop art. I don't draw. Before you ask me, I don't draw, I don't paint, but I'm an admirer of art. And I love pop art. Absolutely love it. Maz is saying it's for our elders. Sandeepa, nothing for them is enough. This is just what is currently we can do. Absolutely, Maz. I absolutely agree with you. हम जितना करें उतना कम है. तो thank you अगर आपने donate किया. Thank you so much, Maz. Ravi is asking me, where are you in time of lockdown? I'm at home in Bombay. are writing to me in languages that I can't even read. Listen, I know only Hindi and English, so if these are the only two languages that I know to read and write. So please write to me in those languages. What is my pet name? Aditya is asking me. Sandy. My friends call me Sandy. Lots of love to people in Manipur. Manipur is one, of course, state which is kind of doing really well in terms of the virus situation. So kudos to the Chief Minister there. Goa and Manipur. Fab. I hope Bombay, Delhi and Gujarat can follow suit. Sunny is saying, ma'am, you should wear a mask. Coronavirus is very dangerous. This pandemic is 10 times stronger than the swine flu. Absolutely agree with you, Sunny. Since I'm home and not whenever I step out, I'm always wearing a mask. And it's become a rule. You can't step out of your homes without a mask, and I think you should not, also for your own safety and for the safety of others, don't step out without a mask. Damien Lancaster, thank you so much for donating. Syed Mohsin Jamin Ali. आप पूछ रहे हैं कि I want to help, but how? अगर आप मेरे पेज पे देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है, आपको पता चल जाएगा. डोनेट का एक बटन होगा इसी लाइव के नीचे, और उसके थ्रू आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं. कुछ भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे जाइए. आपको हाईलाइट में पिन अप एक पोस्ट मिलेगा जिसमें सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. एनजीओ को लेके ये क्यों है, क्या है, कैसे है, सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन उसमें है. आप जब चाहें उसमें डोनेट कर सकते हैं. अगर आप अभी नहीं कर सकते तो बाद में भी कर सकते हैं. ऐसा अभी कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि अभी ही करना है. Hussein Ahmedabad Wala is saying, hi, what is the way to donate? Want to do a big donation. Hussein, you will have all the details on my page. There's a donate button right where the live is going on, and you can click on that and donate. Or if there's you'll see a pinned up post which has all the information at the top of my page. Basically, my page is your Bible for this. It has all the information that one needs. Thank you, Devarshit. Thank you to everybody who's complimenting me on my eyes and my skin and the way that I look. Thank you so much. Lots of love to everybody in Canada. सानू इंग्लिश नहीं आती. परविंदर, मेरे को पंजाबी में अगर मैं बात करना शुरू कर दूँ ना तो फिर 99% लोगों को बात समझ में नहीं आएगा. Sorry. Shirish is asking me, do you watch Corona news regularly and feel depressed or something? Of course, yeah. I mean, the situation is such that you do feel sad and upset about the situation. Ashwini Kumar is asking me, what is the way to donate? Ashwini, if there's a donate button right on the right hand side, you will see a donate button. If you look carefully, Else there's a pinned up post on my page which has all the information of how to donate and all of that. So you can donate using that. Uzair is saying you're not answering my question. What's your question, Uzair? There's so many questions here that it's difficult to kind of answer everybody's questions. Ask me your question again, and if I find it, then I will answer your question. Lots of love to people in Brazil. Lots of love to people in Indonesia. A lot of people are writing to me in languages that I don't understand. I'm sorry. There again, Spanish, Mexico. So people are asking me about my next video with Melvin. Yeah, like I don't know when we'll be able to do a collab together. It completely depends on the pandemic situation. Whenever the lockdown, is relaxed and we can go back to, the regular life, only then the collaborations can happen. Until then, for everybody who doesn't know, I'm on TikTok now, so you can watch my dance videos on TikTok, and I'm having a lot of fun doing these TikTok videos. So come follow me on TikTok, and you can see me dance. I do a lot of these dance challenges and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Vidya, Sagar. Polo, you're writing to me in a language that I don't understand, so I can't really answer. Thank you to everybody who is donating and saying that they've donated. Thank you so much. I'll probably leave now. But जाने से पहले one last time मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि this is a very, very important cause, and I hope all of us can kind of do whatever that we can in order to help the situation. And Help Age India, that's the name of the organization, and the NGO that I am supporting, and it's working for the elderly. And I hope you all can raise money and help the elderly through this. And if you can't do it right now, you can always donate. However, you can use credit card, debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, and you can do multiple transactions anytime. It's going to be on my page. You will see it. It's pinned up, so it's like the first post on the page. So you click on it and you'll get all the information about the NGO. You'll get all the information about the cause, everything. And you can donate how much ever you want. And I'll come live again and we can talk about this again, because this is very, very important to me. And I hope it is important for you as well. And I hope we can, do everything that we, can in our in this situation to help the needy and the elderly, the disabled. Let's just do our best. Yeah, I think this is the time that we should just not think about too much and just do whatever we can in order to help people, and especially the elderly. Cool. So thank you guys, thank you for being with me today, thank you for listening to me, thank you for donating, lots of people who've donated, thank you so much. I am very very thankful. अगेन सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे फेसबुक पेज पर है, टॉप पे पिन पोस्ट है जिसपे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. आपको कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप उस वहाँ पे आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं एंड आई विल रिप्लाई. एंड कुछ भी हो आपको एनजीओ के बारे में आप आप गूगल कर लो, आप इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर कर लो, और जब आप सेटिस्फाइड हो तब आप डोनेट कर सकते हो. और सारा जितना भी आप डोनेट कर रहे हो पूरा 100% डायरेक्टली एनजीओ को जाएगा, मेरे पास नहीं आएगा, वो फेसबुक पे नहीं जाएगा, वो डायरेक्टली एनजीओ के बैंक अकाउंट में जाएगा. सो यू हैव नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. So thank you guys for being with me today. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and we shall do this again very soon. Mwah. Love you. Bye bye.